Some dash cams are great, some dash cams suck. Today we're going through all the best dash cams available in the market today. Let's jump straight into it. Thinkware F200 PRO, this little dash cam packs a punch with its 1080p front and rear recording, but good luck figuring out how to use it without spending quality time with the manual. The Wi-Fi connectivity and smartphone app are neat, but you'll need to shell out extra cash for the GPS antenna to unlock all the fancy features. At least it's compact enough that you won't feel like you've strapped a brick to your windshield. Vantrue E1, this tiny titan boasts 2.5K resolution and a 160-degree field of view, but it's so small you might forget where you put it. The voice control feature is cool, but prepare for some awkward moments when your dash cam doesn't understand your accent. On the bright side, its capacitor power source means it can handle Australia's hellish temperatures without breaking a sweat. Vantrue N5, holy 4-channel madness, Batman. This dash cam gives you a 360-degree view with its front, rear, and cabin cameras, but you might need a degree in engineering to set it up. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor promises great low-light performance, but in cloudy conditions, it can get as confused as a goldfish in a bowl of milk. At least the unboxing experience is premium, like unwrapping a new iPhone, if iPhones recorded your terrible driving. Next base 622 gigawatts. This beast of a dash cam offers 4K resolution and image stabilization, so your footage will be smoother than a buttered dolphin. The Alexa integration is nifty, but talking to your dash cam might make your passengers think you've finally lost it. The what 3 words emergency geolocation feature could save your ass, but the app is about as user-friendly as a cactus in a sleeping bag. Viofo A129 Pro Duo. This bad boy packs a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, giving you crystal clear footage of both your front and rear ends. Perfect for catching those idiots who can't drive. The Sony Starvis image sensor ensures you'll get great night vision, so even those midnight McDonald's runs will be captured in all their greasy glory. But watch out, this thing's a power-hungry beast and might drain your car battery faster than you can say dash cam. Thinkware X1000, sporting a sleek design and a user-friendly touchscreen, this dash cam is like the iPhone of the car world, minus the ridiculous price tag. It's got 2 cameras in the box, so you can keep an eye on both the road ahead and your backseat shenanigans. The downside, no built-in GPS or cloud backup, so if you're hoping to prove your epic road trip actually happened, you might be out of luck. Next base 222X. This little nugget offers front and rear recording, intelligent parking mode, and a wireless rear camera that's easier to install than IKEA furniture. The image quality is pretty damn good for its price, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious drivers who still want to catch those sweet, sweet insurance fraud attempts. Just don't expect it to perform miracles in low light. It's not exactly a night owl, a knight. Vantrue N4 Pro. Holy crap, this thing's got 3 channels, front, rear, and inside, making it perfect for rideshare drivers who want to catch both road rage incidents and puking passengers. The 4K Starvis 2 sensor up front delivers some seriously crisp footage, but be warned, this chunky monkey might take up more windshield real estate than your rearview mirror. Oh, and it's got voice control so you can feel like Knight Rider while you're stuck in traffic. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. This little beauty records in crisp 1440p with a super wide 180-degree field of view, so you'll catch every idiot who cuts you off. It's got voice control so you can yell, "Okay, Garmin, save that video," when some moron nearly crashes into you. But watch out, this thing's alerts can be annoying as hell. It'll beep at you for everything from lane departures to red lights. Garmin Drive Cam 76. This bad boy is like the Swiss Army knife of dash cams. It's got GPS navigation, a built-in dash cam, and even Alexa. The 7-inch display is great for seeing all those fancy features, but good luck fitting this chunky boy discreetly on your windshield. And while the video quality is decent, the stabilization is about as steady as a drunk trying to walk a straight line. Thinkware U1000. Holy crap, this thing records in 4K with HDR. You'll be able to see the fear in people's eyes as they realize they're about to rear-end you. It's got all sorts of fancy features like cloud storage and geofencing, but you'll need a PhD to figure out how to use them all. And at $300, you better hope you actually need to use this footage or you'll feel like a real dumbass for spending that much. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. This tiny terror is about the size of a car key, so you can hide it behind your rearview mirror and pretend you're James Bond. It's got 1080p video and a 140-degree view, which isn't too shabby for something smaller than a chicken McNugget, but there's no screen, so good luck trying to change settings without pulling out your phone and using the app like some kind of tech-savvy grandpa. Rove R3 Dash Cam. This bad boy's got 3 cameras to catch all the action, front, rear, and inside your car, like you're directing your own personal Fast and Furious movie. With 5-megapixel resolution up front and built-in GPS, it's tracking your every move better than your ex on social media. The touchscreen's a bit chaotic, but hey, at least you'll have crisp footage of yourself fumbling with it when you inevitably crash trying to adjust the settings. Nexar Pro. This dash cam duo is perfect for paranoid drivers who want eyes on the road and their precious cargo. It's got free cloud storage so you can relive your road rage incidents from the comfort of your couch. Just be prepared to sacrifice your phone's battery life and some windshield real estate for that interior camera. Small price to pay for catching your passengers' unflattering nap faces. Kenwood DRV a 601W. This 4K beauty will capture every detail of the idiot who cut you off, right down to their baby on board sticker. The magnetic mount is so strong you might rip your windshield off trying to remove it. Talk about commitment issues. Night vision could be better, so maybe stick to daytime drives if you want to catch Bigfoot on camera. Vantrue N4 Pro. This dual-lens dash cam is like having a security guard for your car, recording both the road ahead and your vehicle's interior in crisp 1080p. It's a godsend for rideshare drivers who want to keep an eye on rowdy passengers, but the lack of Wi-Fi might make you feel like you're stuck in the Stone Age. Still, with its impressive night vision and easy setup, the N2 Pro is a solid choice for those who don't mind feeling like they're operating NASA equipment just to review their footage. Rexing V1P Pro. This sleek little number boasts 4K front recording and 1080p rear coverage, making it perfect for catching those "it wasn't my fault" moments in stunning detail. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS are nice touches, but good luck figuring out the app. It's about as user-friendly as a grumpy cat. On the bright side, the V1P Pro's low-profile design means you won't look like you're driving around with a small TV stuck to your windshield. Cobra SE 400D. This bad boy is the Swiss Army knife of dash cams, offering 4K resolution, Alexa integration, and the ability to connect up to 3 cameras. Because 2 just isn't enough, apparently. The video quality is so good, you might be tempted to start your own reality TV show about your daily commute. Just be prepared to shell out some serious cash for this feature-packed beast. Your wallet might cry a little. Blackview DR900X2CH. This dash cam is so fancy it might make you feel like you're piloting a spaceship instead of your beat-up Honda Civic. With 4K UHD recording, built-in Wi-Fi, and cloud connectivity, it's basically the James Bond of dash cams. The only downside, it's so expensive, you might need to take out a second mortgage just to afford it. But hey, at least you'll have crystal clear footage of the repo man coming for your car. Viofo a 229. This bad boy is packing 3 cameras to cover your front, rear, and cabin, giving you more angles than a geometry textbook. With 4K resolution up front and 2K in the back, it's like having eagle eyes for your car, but good luck finding a micro SD card big enough to handle all that crispy footage. The voice control is about as reliable as a chocolate teapot, but hey, at least you can yell at your dash cam when you're stuck in traffic. Thinkware F200 PRO. This little nugget of a dash cam is so compact it could probably hide behind a Tic Tac. It's got some nifty upgrades like Wi-Fi connectivity and improved night vision. But the video quality during the day is about as impressive as a wet sock. On the bright side, it's easy to set up and use, perfect for those who struggle with technology more than a grandma at a rave. Thanks for watching. Even though I doubt it, I hope this video helped you pick a product. Links to all these products will be in the description below. Peace out.